Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. TCS free NQT 2025 exam for Ninja Digital and Prime Role will be happening very soon. But I could see many of you are worried a lot. Many of you are commenting or sending messages, sir, on Google it is showing the exam is on 31st of March. So shall I go home? Shall I do this? Shall I do that? My exam center is far. Now I am not at home. So a lot of queries are, coming, and you guys are definitely getting panicked. So I thought let us make a video and give you the clear information about your admit card, about your exam date, why it is showing on Google 31st of March. So each and every information and even a probable date I will tell you. Also, what are the exam rules? Okay, so before your exam date, right? So what all things you should be having, what all things you should carry. So the complete information you will be getting in this particular video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Okay. So friends, it's very, very clear that TCS has never said anywhere that the exam will be from 31st of March. Then I thought, why students are telling this? I went and checked on Google. Yeah, what is the thing? So I checked on Google. Then I could see TCS never said, okay? Then there was a website below. So interested candidate can submit their application until 19th of March. The online test is scheduled to take place on 31st of March 2025. Now, this is not for the TCS free NQT 2025. I did not go inside and check the content, okay? But I know this ChatGPT is giving you this particular content, and that is the reason we also put one article where TCS NQT examination date. Okay, fine. Now the question comes. See, I will answer each and every queries, okay? Now the question comes, sir, on the TCS website you see here, in the TCS website they have mentioned that registration end date is 23rd of March and exam is starting from 15th of March. How is it possible? I have also covered this in the previous video, but here also I will just tell you. Okay, so basically what they are telling, so from 15th of March onwards, okay, we have a plan to conduct the examination. So 15th and 16th, generally these exams will be happening on Saturday, Sunday, okay, because the colleges will be free mostly, or the TCS ION center, it will be free, or they can have some bandwidth of the people. Okay, so 15th of March onwards they said, okay, and registration date is 23rd of March. So basically what happens, your exam will be happening in multiple shift and it might go for a month. Okay, so 15th of March till 15th of April your exam might happen. In between there will be multiple dates, 22nd of March, 23rd of March, 29th of March, 30th of March, 5th of April, 6th of April, 12th of April, 13th of April, right? So there will be multiple dates will be there. But TCS has not communicated anything, so nobody, see, first of all, 31st of March, one day, this many exams cannot happen. So exams happens in phases here. See, that is the reason we make multiple videos, so that you understand that exam always happens in phases. It doesn't happen on a single day. Now, so friends, as per the TCS, the exam will start from 15th of March onwards. I don't think the exams will be on 15th and 16th of March. So the probable dates of your exam in March is 22nd, 23rd of March, 29th, 30th of March. And see, 31st of March is also Monday. मंडे को एग्जाम होता है क्या? कुछ भी यार. Okay, 5th of April, 6th of April, 12th of April, 13th of April. So these are the probable dates of your examination. See, I do not have any direct contact with TCS. This is my expectations and based on the previous data we just see. Okay, see, I will always tell you, okay, this is expected dates. This is not the final one. See, admit card generally comes 3 to 4 days before the exam. Now, if your exam is on 23rd, you will be getting the admit card by, 23rd, if you have exam, admit card you will be getting on 18th or 19th. And you'll have to, they will not tell you, in a week before or 10 days before, so you will be able to plan in advance that you are booking the, train ticket and you will be able to plan. No, they don't do that. Okay, see, and many of the students were telling, sir, I want to go home, tell me the exam date. Sir, I want to, if the exam date is this, I have this plan, I have that plan. My dear friends, till TCS exam, don't make any plan. See, you are not chief minister or prime minister, so that if you will not go, India will go into some trillion or billion of losses. Okay, even if you don't go and attend some family function, that is still okay. First, try to focus on your career. Okay, friends, even I have cancelled all my plans for your classes. You won't believe, right? You won't believe so many classes I am taking now, right? See, daily basis I am taking the classes. 4th of March, 5th of March, 6th of March. अरे भाई कहाँ चलेगा? 7th of March, 8th of March, 9th of March, 10th of March, 11th of March, 12th of March, 13th of March, 14th of March. So till your exam right now, I have the plans. So I have cancelled all my plans. You also cancel your plan, because see, more than you, I am serious about your career. Okay, and I will be. Till then you are not getting the result, I am not gonna leave you. Okay, so you cannot plan anything else. Please, you need to cancel all the plans till your examination. Remember, you are not only preparing for TCS. See, this time when you are preparing for TCS, no, you are preparing so hard that you will be also prepared for other examination. So please understand that, understand the seriousness, understand the effort which we are putting for you. It's all for you. Please, till TCS, don't plan anything. After the TCS examination, you do whatever you want. This is one of the exams where the surety of getting the job and onboarding will be very, very high. Okay, fine. Now, so okay, so friends, some exam rules will be there. I will before that I will just tell you, so what all things you need to do it. So here we have prepared one sheet for you. Okay, so TCS NQT 2025 pattern analysis. So your check-in time will be, so suppose if your exam is at 8 okay, so suppose if your exam is at 9 a.m. okay, then so by 7:30 a.m. okay, you will have to reach. Basically they will tell you to reach by 7, but the process will start at 7:30 a.m. okay, waited 30 minutes. So one of the student, she said that, sir, 9 o'clock my exam was there, but 7:30 a.m. I reached, 7 a.m. I reached, and 7:30 a.m. check-in time, the process started. You need to have your admit card. So admit card, TCS will be releasing each and every information, friends, you will be getting on our channel. See, if you think that Pratik sir or online study for you is really serious about you, then all the information you will be definitely getting, but genuine information. I cannot simply tell exam is on 31st, exam is on 31st. Okay, like this I will not say. Okay, required documents, admit card, ID proofs check, 2 ID checks is required. Okay, 2 ID you have to take. Okay, I mean Xerox, okay, and original also. So like you take Aadhaar card and one more thing. Okay, ID proof checks, and then floor information. They will tell you which floor you have examination. Generally the examination will be happening on TCS ION. Face and thumbprint validation provided, lab and desk number. Okay, so face and thumbnail validation, thumbprint validation will be there, and they will provide you the lab and desk number. So that is the reason you have to go minimum 1.5 hours early. Must include a photo. Okay, can be pasted at home. So on that admit card you need one photo. Okay, and that time they were asking last year till 2024 exams, they asked for COVID declaration form. Now they might not ask. Help available for login and password, and your exams will basically start at 9-10 a.m. And also we have done analysis that which topic is how many questions you can expect, and also I think we have covered some question which was asked in your October examination. Okay, so these are the question which we asked, here we have covered, and these were asked in the October examination, TCS NQT pattern analysis, and these were the question which was asked in the examination. So you can go through the sheet. Okay, now friends, so we will move back to the the exam rules, but before that I just wanted to tell you, friends, see, the mock test is very, very important. 3 mock tests we have already released, and the 4th full length mock test we are going to release on this Saturday. Okay, we are going to release on this Saturday. So this TCS NQT crash course, till now if you have not taken, please take it seriously. And see, it's all about like how much seriously you are taking it. If you are not taking it seriously, TCS will also not take you seriously. The 1,400 rupees, if you apply the coupon, then the price will be 1,400 rupees, and it is not a big amount. Okay, in that you are getting a lot of things. Daily live classes, see, I showed you, right? So a lot of classes are going on. That is going on in TCS NQT crash course. Mock test is there, full length mock test is there, topic wise mock test is there, and a lot of live classes are going on. That is more than sufficient. That is what you can cover in the given time, the time which you have. You still have time more than 15 days minimum, you can say you will be having time, and more than 15 days you are going to learn a lot from this TCS crash course, because we are doing advanced level of the problem, we are doing coding questions, we are doing foundation problem, each and everything we are doing in the live classes, and the type of questions which comes in examination. Okay, so get this crash course, at least attempt the full length mock test, so that you will have the real experience of time. So each section timing will be there, all those things will be there. Fine. Now, so get this, don't regret later. I'm telling you, TCS will not hire again. TCS will not hire again, so don't regret later. These are some exams rules which I have already told you. Negative marking will not be there, so you can attempt as many questions as you want. Okay, and no section switching. No section switching will be there. Only questions you can switch. Now, if you want first to attempt English, nahi bhaiya. So whatever it comes in that form, you will have to attempt. Okay, questions. First you did first question, then you can move to 20 question, 15th question, 10th question, that you can do it. Exam will be happening at TCS ION. I told you, rough paper. So in exam, they will give you one rough paper when you will start the exam, but as and when required, if you need more number of rough sheet, they will give you. On-screen calculator, till the exam which happened in October, it was there. This time also it will be there. Okay, but anyway, let's see TCS when and what they will change. Nobody knows. Question wise timer. So there was a time when TCS used to give for one question 2 minutes, for one question 1.5 minutes. Now it is not there like this. Section wise timer will be there. For aptitude 25 minutes, for reasoning 25 minutes, like this. Fill in the blanks questions will be there. Around 8 theta based questions will be there. If we submit one question, then we can go to second question. Coding question. 2 coding questions will be there. The first one will decide if you want to go for if you will be selected for digital or prime. So first coding question, if you do, you will be, and your foundation is good, then you will be called for digital interview. If you do both the coding questions, and if your foundation is good, you will be called for prime. We cannot make changes in the first coding question if you have moved to second coding question. Section wise cutoff will be there, and TCS upgrade exam mail is already communicated to the student, and the students are aware about it. Okay, they have started preparing also. Okay, so these are the classes which I said it is happening in the TCS crash course. This is your, as I was saying, section wise timer will be there. For numerical ability, total 25 minutes, logical reasoning 25 minutes, verbal ability 25 minutes, number of question. In the same way we have prepared the, mock test. Okay, full length mock test with the same pattern, so that you will be having a real experience of the mock test. Okay, these are the live classes which will be keep going on. Okay, by see these are the classes only by me, which you saw here. Okay, so all these classes are by Pratik sir classes. And what about other teachers? So other teachers also are taking the classes, like coding in C++, coding in Python, coding in Java, all those things. That's how the result comes. No, result will not come simply by speaking. Result will come by doing things which we do here. All these students are placed, right? So they are placed in prime, they are placed in digital, they are and all are from 2025 batch, 2024 batch, current batch only. Okay, fine. So that's all I wanted to tell you, friends. So hope this video has given you the clarity. Once again, at the end of this video, I wanted to tell you, please, your competition should be with yourself, not with others. If you work on yourself, automatically the quality of the classes, the quality of the content will increase, and it will help student a lot to get placed in the company they dream. And that is what was my dream when I started, and I could see I'm becoming better. If you go and see this video, 5 years back video and today's video, you can find a lot of difference, and it's all because of you all, because you all have always supported me. No sir, you are doing good, sir, you are doing great, sir, you keep doing this, sir, can you do like this? Can you do like that? I kept it implementing. I kept the things changing. And now today our family members has grown. And I want to thank you from bottom of my heart. And please take care, guys. All the very, very best. We are with you and we will be with you.